Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, students. How are you today? I hope all of you are fine. In this first meeting, nice to see you. Even though we don't meet face to face, but alhamdulillah we can meet in this media. In this our first meeting, we are going to study about the expression. Pada pertemuan pertama kita kali ini, di semester pertama di kelas 9, kalian akan belajar mengenai salah satu atau beberapa jenis ungkapan. Tetapi, before I explain what expression you are going to study, sebelum Ibu jelaskan ungkapan apa yang akan kita pelajari hari ini, I want to tell you what is the function of learning expression. Ibu ingin memberitahukan kepada kalian apa sih itu ungkapan. Ungkapan dalam bahasa Inggris sangat berguna sekali supaya kalian bisa berkomunikasi, bisa berbicara dalam bahasa Inggris. Ungkapan in English is expression. Mengungkapkan, express or expressing. There are 4 expression we are going to study. Ada 4 ungkapan yang akan kita pelajari hari ini. Okay, the first expression is asking for attention. What is the expression of asking for the attention? Okay, I have some dialogue. I have a dialogue in here. The dialogue are between teacher and students. Kita pelajari dulu dialognya. Apa itu ungkapan atau apa itu the expression of asking for attention? Let's see. The dialogue are between teacher and students. Teacher said, "Everybody, may I have your attention, please?" Students said, "Yes, ma'am." Teacher said, "We are going to have outing to Dupan." Students said, "Hooray!" Okay, now let's see what is the meaning of this dialogue. Kita lihat apa makna dari dialog ini. Everybody, may I have your attention, please? Semuanya, bolehkah Ibu mendapatkan perhatian kalian? Yes, ma'am. Ya, Bu. We are going to have outing to Dupan. Kita akan jalan-jalan, kita akan rekreasi ke Dupan. Hooray! Hooray! Now, in here, in this dialogue, there is the expression of asking for attention. Di sini, di dalam dialog ini terdapat ungkapan asking for the attention. What is it? Apa itu? May I have your attention, please? Ya, kita lihat di slide di sini ada kalimat yang digarisbawahi. There is the sentence that underlined. May I have your attention, please? Nah, itu adalah expressions of asking for attention. Jadi apa itu the expression of asking for attention? It's mean artinya adalah ungkapan meminta perhatian. So if you want to express the expressions of asking for the attention, you can say, "May I have your attention, please?" Okay, jadi kalau kalian ingin meminta perhatian sebelum kalian berbicara, sebelum kalian menyampaikan informasi kepada dan kalian ingin lawan bicara kalian itu memperhatikan kalian. Nah, kalian bisa menggunakan ungkapan "May I have your attention, please?" Okay, now let's see the next slide. Kita lihat slide berikutnya. There are other expressions of asking for attention. Di sini ada beberapa ungkapan lain yang bisa kalian gunakan ketika kalian ingin meminta perhatian terhadap seseorang ketika kalian akan berbicara atau menyampaikan sesuatu. Okay, you can repeat after me. Kalian bisa mengulang Ibu di rumah kalian masing-masing setelah Ibu membacakan ungkapan-ungkapan asking for attention. Okay, attention please. Can I have your attention please? May I have your attention please? Excuse me? Look here. Listen. Okay, now let's see the meaning. Kita lihat artinya. Attention please. Tolong perhatikan. Can I have your attention, please? Bisakah Ibu mendapatkan perhatian kalian atau bisakah saya mendapatkan perhatianmu? May I have your attention, please? Bolehkah saya mendapatkan perhatianmu? Excuse me. Permisi. Look here. Lihat sini. Listen. Listen to me. Dengarkan saya. Okay, now when someone asks you for attention, ketika seseorang memintamu untuk memberikan perhatian, how to respond it? Bagaimana cara meresponnya, menjawabnya? Okay, look at the slide. Lihat slide di sini. In here there are some expression how to respond asking for attention. Di sini ada beberapa respon bagaimana menjawab permintaan seseorang kepada kita ketika kita diminta untuk memperhatikan apa yang dia atau mereka bicarakan. Okay. Yes, please. You can repeat after me. Kalian boleh ulang setelah ibu. Yes, please. Alright. Sure. Of course. Okay. Now let's see the meaning. Kita lihat artinya. Yes, please. Yeah. Alright. Baiklah. Sure. Tentu. Of course. Tentu. Okay. That's all my explanation about the expression of asking for attention. Itulah penjelasan ibu mengenai ungkapan meminta perhatian. Ya, you can use the expression that I have given to you. Kalian bisa menggunakan ungkapan-ungkapan yang ibu berikan tadi. Now, look at the slide again. I have a video in here. Ibu punya video di sini. The video is about the conversation that use the expression of asking for attention. Ya, di sini video ini terdapat percakapan yang menggunakan ungkapan-ungkapan asking for attention. Watch it and pay attention to the expression those are used in the dialogue.
Listen, I've got some news.
What is it?
We are going to have a maths test today.
Really?
Yes. Andre told me just now.
That's bad news. I didn't study last night.
Attention please.
Yes, sir.
I'm going to give you the itinerary of our journey.
Hooray.
May I have your attention please?
Be quiet, please.
Thank you. Here is the itinerary, one for each of you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, student, after watch the video, of course you can find some expressions of the expression asking for attention. Setelah kalian menonton videonya, kalian tentunya menemukan beberapa ungkapan meminta perhatian dalam percakapan dalam video tersebut. Okay, now the next expression. Ungkapan berikutnya yang akan kalian pelajari adalah mengenai the expression of checking someone's understanding. Apa sih the expression of checking someone's understanding? Now let's see the slide. Kita lihat slide-nya di sini. Please pay attention to the dialogue. Tolong perhatikan dialognya. Let's study together. Kita pelajari. In this dialogue, there are the expressions of checking someone understanding. Dalam dialog ini terdapat ungkapan checking someone understanding. Okay, now let's see. There are two conversation. There are two dialogue in this example. Okay. The first dialogue are between teacher and Andy. Teacher said, "Do you understand my question?" Andy said, "No, sir. Say it again, please." Okay. The next dialogue. There are between Sapana and Fitri. Sapana said, "Do you know what I mean?" Fitri said, "Yes, I know what you mean." Okay, now let's see. Let's study. Kita lihat, kita pelajari di sini. The underlined sentence, kalimat yang digarisbawahi is the expressions of checking someone understanding. Kalimat yang digarisbawahi adalah ungkapan checking someone understanding. Do you understand? Do you know what I mean? Okay, now let's see the meaning. Kita lihat artinya. Do you understand my question? Apakah kamu mengerti pertanyaan saya? Okay. Now, do you know what I mean? Apakah kamu mengerti apa maksudku? Okay, now so you can conclude what is the meaning of the expression of checking someone understanding. Setelah Ibu terjemahkan, tentunya kalian bisa mengetahui ya, apa itu expression of checking someone understanding. So, expression of checking someone's understanding means ungkapan mengecek pemahaman seseorang. Jadi kalau kalian ingin mengetahui paham gak ya orang yang diajak bicara oleh kita mengenai apa yang kita bicarakan. Nah, gimana sih ngungkapinnya dalam bahasa Inggris? Nah, you can use this expression. Kamu bisa gunakan ungkapan ini. Do you understand? Do you know what I mean? Okay. Now, beside that, I have other expression you can use if you want to check someone's understanding. Ibu punya beberapa di sini, lihat di slide, punya beberapa ungkapan selain yang tadi Ibu sebutkan. Ada ungkapan lain yang bisa kamu gunakan ketika kamu ingin mengecek pemahaman seseorang mengenai apa yang kamu katakan atau apa yang kamu sampaikan. Okay, now let's see. You can repeat after me at home. Kamu bisa mengulanginya di rumah after me, setelah Ibu. Okay, listen to me carefully. Do you understand? Do you understand what I'm saying? Do you know what I mean? Do you know what I'm talking about? Is it clear? Okay, now let's see the meaning. Do you understand? Apakah kamu mengerti? Do you understand what I'm saying? Apakah kamu mengerti apa yang saya katakan? Do you know what I mean? Apakah kamu mengerti apa maksudku? Do you know what I'm talking about? Apakah kamu tahu? Apakah kamu mengerti apa yang saya bicarakan? Is it clear? Is it clear? Apakah sudah jelas? Okay, this is other expressions of how to check someone's understanding. Inilah ungkapan-ungkapan bagaimana kamu mengecek pemahaman seseorang tentang apa yang kamu sampaikan. Now, let's see the second expression. Responses showing that someone's understand. Nah, bagaimana cara menunjukkan bahwa kita paham, bahwa kita mengerti. Kalau seseorang meminta atau menanyakan kepada kita apakah kita paham atau tidak. Oke, respond itu jawaban atau tanggapan. Showing yang menunjukkan that someone understand, bahwa seseorang paham atau mengerti. Nah, gimana sih cara mengungkapkannya? Oke, repeat after me, okay? Yes, I understand. Yes, I understand what you're saying. I know what you mean. I see what you mean. I see what you're saying. Yes, ma'am. Or you can say, yes, sir. Okay, now let's see the meaning. Kita lihat artinya. Yes, I understand. Ya, saya paham. Ya, saya mengerti. Yes, I understand what you're saying. Ya, saya mengerti apa yang kamu katakan atau apa yang kamu bicarakan. I know what you mean. Aku tahu apa maksudmu. I see what you mean. Aku mengerti atau saya mengerti apa maksudmu. I see what you're saying. Aku mengerti apa yang kamu bicarakan. Yes, ma'am. Ya, Bu. Kalau pertanyaannya is it clear? Yes, ma'am. Kalau itu yang bertanya adalah ibu, ya, ibu guru atau yang mengajar. Is it clear? Apakah sudah jelas? Yes, ma'am. Ya, Bu. And now, how if you do not understand? Dan gimana kalau nggak ngerti? Gimana cara ngejawabnya ya? Gimana cara ngeresponnya? Okay, in here I have some expression of responses showing that someone doesn't understand. Respond, tanggapan, showing, yang menunjukkan that someone doesn't understand, bahwa seseorang tidak mengerti. Okay, I will read it. Ibu akan membacanya. Please listen carefully and repeat after me. I don't understand. Saya tidak mengerti. I don't get it. Saya tidak mengerti. I'm not sure I know what you mean. Saya nggak yakin saya mengerti apa maksudmu. No, ma'am. Sorry. Tidak, Bu. Maaf. Nah, itulah ungkapan-ungkapan bagaimana cara mengecek pemahaman seseorang, how to check someone's understanding, and bagaimana meresponnya kalau kita mengerti atau paham apa yang orang lain bicarakan, dan bagaimana kalau kita tidak mengerti apa yang orang lain bicarakan. Oke, is it clear? Oke. Cut. Next, yang selanjutnya, materi berikutnya. Udah nggak ada video ini.
materi selanjutnya.
Ya, ada 4 materi kelas 8.
Oh, dilanjut berarti kan?
Ya,
Kalau 4 materi itu berarti
4 materi itu 1 KD,
satu pertemuan.
1 pertemuan. Ya, nanti terserah Akang mau di...
Enggak, pasti disatukan.
Kita satukan aja lah ya.
Maksudnya itu ya, dilanjut ya, sekarang lanjut ya.
Oke. Okay. After you studied two kind of expressions,
Oh kan,
Ah.
ada pakai slideshow, tapi pakai slideshow.
pakai slide, semua pakai semua pakai.
3, 2, 1.
Okay, after you studied the kind of expression, now we are going to continue to the next expression. The next expression is the expression of giving compliment or appreciation. What is the expression of giving compliment or appreciation? Okay, ungkapan yang berikutnya yang akan kalian pelajari adalah the expression of giving compliment or appreciation. Apa sih itu giving compliment or appreciation? Okay, now let's see the slide. Kita lihat slide-nya. Okay, now we are going to study the dialogue. We are going to study the conversation. Kita akan pelajari dulu dialognya. Nanti di dalam dialog tersebut terdapat ungkapan giving compliment or appreciation. There are 2 conversation in here. Ada dua dialog yang akan Ibu berikan di sini. The first dialogue are dialog yang pertama antara Mother and Tanya, between Mother and Tanya. Mother said, "I like your drawing. It's beautiful." Tanya said, "Thanks, Mom." Okay, the next dialogue. The next dialogue are between Naila and Silmi. Naila said, "I got 100 for English test." Silmi said, "Wow, you are so smart." Naila said, "Thank you." Okay, now let's see the underlined sentence. Kita lihat kalimat-kalimat yang digarisbawahi. It show itu menunjukkan the expression of giving compliment or appreciation. Kalimat yang digarisbawahi ini menunjukkan ungkapan giving compliment or appreciation. It's beautiful. Wow, you are so smart. Now let's see the meaning. Kita lihat artinya. It's beautiful. Cantik sekali. Oh, cantiknya. Wow, you are so smart. Wow, kamu sangat pintar. Nah, jadi apa itu sih the expression of giving compliment or appreciation? Oke, tentunya kalian bisa menebak ya. Oke, the expression of giving compliment or appreciation means artinya adalah ungkapan memberikan pujian atau penghargaan, ya. Jadi tergantung kalian mau memberikan pujian atau penghargaan seperti apa, tergantung konteksnya atau yang diberikan pujiannya itu seperti apa. Okay, in here I have some other example. Okay, student. Now I have some expressions of giving compliment or appreciation. Now let's read together. Kita baca bersama-sama. Listen to me carefully. Dengarkan Ibu baik-baik, and you may repeat after me. Dan kalian boleh mengulang setelah Ibu ya. Okay, look at the slide. Lihat slide-nya. Excellent, wonderful, that's really fantastic, great, what's a great mark, how beautiful, wow, that's marvelous, you are clever, excellent, hebat, wonderful, mengagumkan, hebat, that's really fantastic, luar biasa, great, hebat, what's a great mark, wah, nilainya bagus sekali. How beautiful, alangkah cantiknya, alangkah indahnya. Wow, that's marvelous. Wow, bagus sekali. You are clever, kamu pintar. So, this is the expression of giving compliment or appreciation. Inilah beberapa ungkapan yang menunjukkan memberikan pujian atau penghargaan. Jadi masih banyak lagi sebenarnya pujian-pujian yang bisa kalian berikan terhadap seseorang ya. Oke. Now how to respond? Bagaimana sih cara meresponnya kalau seseorang memberikan pujian atau penghargaan? You can say thanks. Kamu bisa mengatakan thanks. Thanks dan Thanks. I'm glad you like it. Thank you so much. Thanks. Terima kasih. Thanks. Terima kasih. I'm glad you like it. Saya senang kamu menyukainya. Thank you so much. Terima kasih banyak. Now I have a video about the conversation that using giving compliment or appreciation expression. Ibu punya video, silakan tonton dan pelajari kalimat-kalimat yang menggunakan ungkapan memberikan pujian atau penghargaan.
I just wanted to let you know that I like the way your shoes match your sweater. It's really dope.
Thanks.
Yeah,
thanks. I
you're
appreciate
welcome. Yeah,
that.
have
My
a good.
God, bro.
Thank you. Have a good day. I love the color of your hair. Is it natural? Oh my God, that is amazing. It's so pretty.
Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome. Have a great day. Hey, I just wanted to let you know that I really like your jacket and I think you have really great style. You're welcome. I just wanted to let you know that I love your outfit and you are so adorable.
I love your
Oh,
eyelashes and
thank
your hair.
you. Thank you so much. Yeah, I
look
just wanted
great.
to let you know.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Hey, I just wanted to let you know I really like your hoodie.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, it's really cool.
Thank
Yeah,
you.
have a good day. Hey, I just wanted to let you know I love the red lipstick on your lips. It really makes everything just like
Thank
pop
you
and go
so
together.
much.
Yeah, you're welcome. Have a good day. Hey, I just wanted to let you know that I really like your style and I know that finals are coming up, so I hope you ace all your tests.
Thank you.
Yeah,
That's
no,
so
your
sweet.
sweater
You
is like
too.
actually really cute.
Thanks
Super
so
cute.
much.
Yeah, you're welcome. I just wanted to let you know that I really like your scarf. It goes really well and not many guys can pull it off.
Thank you.
Yeah, you're
So
welcome.
nice
Looks
of you to
good.
say.
Yeah, have a good day. I just wanted to let you know I think both of your guys' shoes are like really sick.
Thanks.
Yeah, they're super dope.
Phone posits.
Sorry?
Phone posits.
Foam posits?
Yes, what we're called.
Yeah, they're sick though.
Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome. Have a great day, guys. Sorry, I just wanted to let you know that I think your hoodie is really sick.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah,
I
that's
appreciate
super
it.
dope.
Thank you.
Does it have anything on the back?
No, nothing. I think
No?
it's just an angel and devil.
Yeah, no, that's super sick.
Thank you.
Yeah,
Thank you. Appreciate
you're
it.
welcome. Have a great day.
After you watch the video, setelah kalian menonton videonya, of course you find out, tentu saja kalian menemukan the expression of giving compliment or appreciation. Di sana terdapat beberapa ungkapan memberikan pujian atau penghargaan. Okay, the next expression you are going to study is about asking and giving opinion. What is asking and giving opinion? Now let's see the slide. Let's pay attention to the dialogue. Kita lihat slide-nya, kita perhatikan, kita pelajari dialognya. There are two dialogues in here. Di sini ada dua dialog. The first dialogue are between Risma and Audi. Dialog yang pertama antara Risma dan Audi. Risma said, "What do you think of the cake?" Audi said, "I think it is so yummy." Okay, now the second conversation, the second dialogue are between Nadia and Pira. What is your opinion about our new classmate? Pira said, "In my opinion, she is very friendly." Okay, now let's see. Kita lihat di sini ungkapan-ungkapan yang menggunakan asking and giving opinion. Nanti kalian bisa menebak apa artinya asking and giving opinion. Let's see the first sentence. Kita lihat kalimat yang pertama. What do you think of the cake? And the second, dan yang kedua, what is your opinion about our new classmate? Now let's check the meaning. Kita lihat artinya ya. What do you think of the cake? Bagaimana menurutmu kuenya? I think it is so yummy. Menurutku kuenya enak sekali. Okay, let's see the second dialogue. Okay, the second dialogue di kalimat yang kedua. Nadia said, "What is your opinion about our new classmate?" Nadia mengatakan, "Apa pendapatmu tentang teman sekelas kita yang baru?" In my opinion, she is very friendly. Menurut saya, dia sangat ramah. Nah, di sini ada ungkapan yang menggunakan asking and giving opinion, yaitu what do you think of? What is your opinion? Itu adalah asking for opinion. Itu adalah meminta pendapat. Jadi asking for opinion adalah meminta pendapat, and giving opinion memberikan pendapat. ketika kalian ingin ketika kalian ingin meminta pendapat terhadap seseorang, kalian bisa menggunakan ungkapan what do you think of? Atau what is your opinion about? Dan ketika kalian ingin memberikan pendapat, kalian bisa mengawalinya dengan I think or in my opinion. Now, look at other slide. Kita lihat slide berikutnya. I have other expressions of asking and giving opinion. Ibu mempunyai beberapa ungkapan lain bagaimana meminta dan memberikan pendapat. Okay, now let's see the first asking for opinion. Kita lihat yang pertama, meminta pendapat. What do you think of? What is your opinion about? How do you feel about? Do you think, for example, do you think this pandemic will be gone soon? What do you think of? Apa pendapatmu tentang? What is your opinion about? Apa pendapatmu mengenai? How do you feel about? Bagaimana perasaanmu tentang? Do you think? Apakah menurutmu? Do you think this pandemic will be gone soon? Apakah menurutmu wabah ini akan segera berakhir? Nah, itu adalah ungkapan-ungkapan meminta pendapat. Jadi kamu boleh mengawalinya dengan ungkapan-ungkapan ini. And how to give opinion? Dan bagaimana memberikan pendapat? Kamu bisa mengawalinya dengan I think, in my opinion, according to my opinion, from my point of view, I think so, or I don't think so. Okay, I think, menurut saya, in my opinion, menurut pendapat saya, according to my opinion, menurut pendapat saya, from my point of view, menurut pendapat saya atau menurut pandangan saya, I think so. Menurut saya demikian. I don't think so. Menurut saya tidak demikian. Those are the expressions of asking for opinion and giving opinion. Itulah ungkapan-ungkapan meminta dan memberi pendapat. Okay. Now I have a video. Watch the video and study the sentences which are using the expression of asking and giving opinion.
That was a great concert last night, Scarlett.
Thanks.
As we know, Scarlett's got a new CD coming out soon, so let's have a look at the best way we can promote it in France.
Okay. Well, I think Scarlett should visit the major music stores. In my opinion, that's the best way to meet her fans.
I'm not so sure. What do you think, Jacques?
Actually, I don't agree with Mark. Scarlett isn't commercial in that way.
Scarlett? Scarlett?
I agree with Jacques. I don't have a commercial image. It isn't my style.
Okay, but Scarlett needs more publicity. What about a series of TV and radio interviews? Don't you agree?
Yes, but that's what everybody does. What we want is something different.
Personally, I think Scarlett should tour clubs and summer festivals. She can DJ, play her favorite music, play the new CD, and meet her fans, too.
Yes, absolutely. That's a much better idea. Mark?
Okay, why not?
Scarlett?
I think... that's a great idea. Thank you, Jacques.
After you watch the video, I'm sure you find the sentences or the expressions of asking and giving opinion. So you will more understand. Jadi setelah menonton videonya, kalian di sana telah menemukan banyak sekali ungkapan-ungkapan meminta dan memberikan pendapat terhadap seseorang. You will more understand. Kalian akan lebih paham lagi ya bagaimana menggunakannya, bagaimana cara mengungkapkannya dengan teman atau orang-orang yang ada di sekitar kalian. Okay. The next slide. For the next slide,
Right.
For the next slide, you can see that in here I have a conversation. Ibu punya dialog di sini. The dialogue are between Nisa, Salwa, and Rizka. In this dialogue, dalam dialog ini, there are some sentences, ada beberapa kalimat that used yang menggunakan the expression of asking and giving opinion. Now listen to me carefully, dengarkan ibu baik-baik. Find out, cari, temukan ungkapan mana saja atau kalimat mana saja yang menggunakan ungkapan meminta dan memberi pendapat. Selain meminta dan memberi pendapat, di sini juga terdapat 4 ungkapan. Terdapat 4 ungkapan yang sudah kita pelajari tadi ya. Oke, kita ulang dulu ungkapan apa saja tadi yang telah kita pelajari. Yang pertama, kalian tadi sudah mempelajari tentang ungkapan bagaimana memberikan ungkapan bagaimana meminta perhatian. Okay. The expression of asking for attention. And then yang kedua, you have studied about the expression of checking someone's understanding. Yang kedua, kalian sudah belajar mengenai bagaimana mengecek pemahaman seseorang tentang apa yang kita sampaikan. And the third, dan yang ketiga, you have studied about, kalian sudah belajar tentang the expression, ungkapan giving compliment or appreciation, memberikan pujian atau penghargaan. And the last expression, you have studied about asking and giving opinion. Okay, now let's see the slide. Lihat slide-nya. In this slide, there is a conversation. Di slide ini ada ada percakapan that use yang menggunakan 4 conversation that you have studied. 4 menggunakan 4 ungkapan yang sudah kalian pelajari. Okay, now listen to me. Nisa said, "Attention guys, we should submit our English assignment this week." Mrs. Sarah explains how to do this assignment yesterday. Do you understand about her explanation? Salwa said, "I understand about her explanation." Rizka said, "What do you think of this assignment? Can we finish it and submit it on time?" Salwa said, "I think it is not too difficult and we can finish it well if we work together." And Nisa said, "Yes, you are right. We can do it because we are a great team." From this dialogue, we can find the first sentence. It's just asking for attention because Nisa said, "Attention guys." Nah, di kalimat pertama ini kita menemukan ungkapan bagaimana meminta perhatian. Di sini menggunakan attention guys. Kemudian di kalimat kedua terdapat ungkapan checking someone's understanding. Do you understand about her explanation? Apakah kamu mengerti tentang penjelasannya? Okay, now di kalimat ketiga kita menemukan respon. Respon bagaimana respon terhadap seseorang yang menanyakan atau yang mengecek pemahaman kita terhadap apa yang beliau atau mereka sampaikan. I understand. Saya paham, saya mengerti. The next sentence, di kalimat berikutnya kita menemukan ungkapan bagaimana meminta pendapat. Asking for opinion. What do you think of this assignment? Apa pendapatmu tentang tugas ini? Ya, okay. The next sentence. Kalimat berikutnya menggunakan the expressions of respond. Respond, how to respond, bagaimana merespon, atau how to give opinion, bagaimana memberikan pendapat. Menurut saya, I think it is not too difficult. Tugas itu tidak terlalu sulit, and we can finish it, dan kita bisa menyelesaikannya dengan baik if we work together, jika kita bekerja bersama-sama. And on the last sentence, dan di kalimat terakhir, di sini terdapat ungkapan giving compliment or appreciation. Ungkapan memberikan komplimen, pujian atau penghargaan. We are great team. We are great team. Kita adalah tim yang hebat. Ya, after we studied, setelah kalian mempelajari dialog yang Ibu berikan ini. Anak-anakku sekalian, Ibu ingin memberikan tugas setelah kalian mempelajari 4 ungkapan tadi, ya. Tugasnya apa? Kalian buat dialog bagaimana kalian buat dialog dengan menggunakan 4 ungkapan yang sudah kalian pelajari tadi, seperti yang sudah Ibu contohkan sebelumnya. Kemudian setelah kalian buat dialognya, kalian foto, ya, foto pekerjaan kalian. Setelah itu, kalian buat video ketika kalian membaca dialog yang kalian buat. Nah, itu tugas buat kalian. Ibu ulang sekali lagi. First, make a dialogue by using the 4 expression that you have learned. Buat dialog dengan menggunakan 4 ungkapan yang sudah kalian pelajari tadi, seperti yang sudah Ibu contohkan sebelumnya. Kemudian, take a picture of your work. Buat atau ambil fotonya, foto apa yang sudah kalian kerjakan. And the last, make a video when you pronounce the dialogue. Dan yang terakhir, buat videonya ketika kalian membaca dialog yang sudah kalian buat. Okay, students, thank you for today. See you for the next meeting. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.